Show, seeded by Barangay Captain Honorable Myrna O. Capison, Justiniana Elementary School, faculty and staff, headed by Mrs. Maria Adelina Arga, beloved parents, headed by Journal PTA President, Mrs. Merlin Mandado, classmates, schoolmates, and to all who witness this moment, this event in our lives, a warm and a pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. I am so happy and honored to stand here in front of you today. On behalf of the kindergarten movers of school year 2023-2024, we would like to take this opportunity to thank the people who made great effort aron mabot namo ang among mga pangandoy. I know we have just did our journey, but it is soon to be recognized and thank for the awesome love, sacrifices, and patience before moving on to the next grade level, the grade 1. To my classmates and also my friends, we have lots of memories we shared in our kindergarten days. We learn, we play, we laugh, we giggle and sometimes get upset, but it is part of our growing stage. Because of you, my life is not boring, it's then more exciting every day. Thank you so much for the company and friendship. Congratulations of all of us and cheer for the great things we've made. To our teachers, Mrs. Angelo A. Maribel and Mrs. Richie I. De La Cruz, thank you for molding us and the best you could. We learned not only alphabets, names, and sounds, counting numbers, but also exploring something amazing in our eyes. We learned to draw, paint, dance, and sing, and recite poems. Thank you for your truly a mother to us, who care and love, even you're so makukulit sometimes, and you're so sorry for the times we made you sad and mad. On behalf of the kindergarten class 2024, we would like to say thank you, Teacher Joy and Teacher Maribel. And to all Justiniana Elementary School teachers, we love you. Ang ama na katornalya ninyo, dili namo ikalimtan. Himoon na balon nga to sa pagkabot sa among mga pangandoy. To our loving, supported parents, thank you so much for bringing about our needs financially, morally, and spiritually. To my family, to my Papa Julie, Mama Dayen, Ate Label, my Lola Dili, my Tatay Loloy, and Nanay Inday, sa ako nga auntie of uncle, thank you for your love, supports, guidance, and sacrifices. I am very proud and thankful for the life you have given us. Above all, to God,